Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio. Welcome to the Nigerian Nomad channel. For you guys that don't know who I am, I'm a first generation Nigerian American that's just exploring life in Lagos in all of its glory. Investment opportunities, lifestyle, food, culture, real estate, all of that stuff. So if you like that stuff, definitely check out other videos on my channel. I'm learning Yoruba words nowadays. Today, I am here to take you guys on a unique experience and a first-time experience of something that I have not experienced in Nigeria. And it's a little bit of a group travel tour that I'm very excited about. So what this experience is, it's to experience a waterfall in Nigeria for the first time ever. So I've traveled to different countries. I think my last place seeing waterfall was in Hawaii, but I didn't know that a waterfall exists like 3 hours from Lagos. So I'm going to check it out today. So where we're going is Osun State, and we're going specifically to the Erin Ijesha Waterfall. All right, guys, let's go on this journey together. All right, guys, we are at the entry of the waterfalls now with the crew, and we are going to start our hiking.
You fail. Know that you're fortunate. Just do what you have. Anything you can talk.
Okay.
Something like that it comes out from.
They're saying that this is what it looks like at the top, the source.
Looks like what it looks like.
Because you cannot get to the source. That's why they do it.
Do we get to that source?
Why? No possible. Nobody knows the source. We were told that these are people.
Okay. So they were saying nobody knows the source of the water, but they were told this is how it looks. Yeah.
This is how it looks.
Oh.
Are they supplying the water?
Maybe they used to have water come out of there before for display.
People like dance. How about?
I'll dance. No problem. So this is how we're being welcomed on our entrance to the waterfall.
So you guys are full of details to give us.
Let me not waste my energy before we even get to start this thing. All right. So that's a morale booster, but you know where they should have had that papa? They should have had him like 75% before you get there so that he energizes you to finish as you are getting tired. You get? All right, so here we are.
When you want to know everything.
Because you look like someone that has climbed the Everest.
Everest. Everest is better. We have all the gadgets.
with his walking stick, right?
The other thing can come back. You reach the top. You reach the top. Where's the other guy?
And the hammer.
And you're missing a big boots, those big boots.
I have boots,
Okay.
but without the spikes.
Okay.
Who is going back?
Who is going back?
Who they wrong go back there?
I have boots, I have bandages.
Benjamin, Babatunde.
This is your last chance, so if you want to go back now, you say it.
Does everybody have
Then aside from that, for those of us who know we have, any of us that know we have something like our heart reacting to something or high blood pressure, any issue at all, please don't overstress yourself. You are allowed to stay back. Nobody will kidnap you anywhere. You are allowed to just stay back. Please. If you want water and you run out of water, the water here is drinkable. It's just bad, drinkable. So please just know that.
Next time. Just come like that. You don't need that one where you video set.
the adventure starts? Group travel crew here. Wow, guys, check this out. Woo! Wow. This is amazing. Check this out. Holy moly. Wow. This is cool. Man, and the water is like rushing. Wow. Wow. All right, guys, we are climbing even higher. Let's go check this thing out. All right, so there's some water on the path that one has to be careful for. So I'm gonna hold on to this. All right, let's keep going. This is beautiful. Oh, come and check out this shot. This is amazing. Ooh, this is some serious waterfall though. Wow. The journey to the top. One step at a time.
Okay, Bob. Anyone is allowed to slow down at any point.
Yeah.
I kind of finish you. Yeah, that's
Did I take this route? Careful. You can take that side, it's easier. Good job.
All your clothes is working.
Okay, no problem. Alright guys, what's up? So we had to abandon the other crew because I wanted to make it to the highest points that you can climb. So apparently there's actually another city if you go further up like 2-3 hours, but I won't be able to accomplish this on this journey. But here is why this climb was worth it. Let me show you guys the view. Wow, look at that guys. This is just purely amazing. Wow. So, according to our guide here, Kiloro Koinsa, Mr. Tosin, he's saying this is Ijesha Abi, Erin Ijesha. So this is the town, all the way from there to there. And then this is actually where we came in. This is where we parked, this is where we came in to climb all the way up. Isn't that an amazing town?